He'll announce his piece for us. Oh, there you go.
Okay, I'm playing Bruyeres by Debussy.
Yep. Round of applause. Very nice. All right. Let's go on to the comments. And again, that was JBC. As most of you guys have already figured out, we are doing lots of Beethoven next year. And next year means, well, this year. And Debussy. Because, well, one, for Beethoven, the reason why you're going to hear it so often is because it's his birthday. He's turning 250. And for Debussy, I just felt it was really appropriate for us to do some Debussy considering what the world is going through. Debussy's music is very relaxing music, very fragrant, atmospheric music. So I thought it was good, calming music. Anyway, let's get to the comments. Mr. Numan, I'll let you go first.
So I love the character and the body movement, but I thought that in some places the crescendos and decrescendos could be a little more effective.
Great. I like that comment. I know exactly what you mean, but for other people who don't know what that means, can you be more specific about effective?
Like, meaning maybe like if it's a crescendo, go more like go louder, and if it's a decrescendo, go softer.
Okay, so intensity is probably a better word, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Numan. Uh, Allison,
Um,
you got to speak way
you
up.
had you had good body movement, but it was a little too much. You had good articulation. You had good character. In the beginning, don't stick your neck out when you're really close to the keyboard, and then your soft parts aren't really soft enough, in my opinion.
Thank you so much, Allison. Okay, I always appreciate your very specific, clear instructions. So don't stick your neck out. We've talked about that, Nicholas. I agree, and I also agree that your soft parts were not soft enough. um, as well as the other things that she mentioned. Vivian?
I think I have very good dynamics and articulation, but like I think you can how do I say it, have a bit more body movement and like check your phrasing because when like I think there's several parts even though they're not the same notes, they have very similar structures, I guess, and then you're playing them the same way for
Okay,
most
so
of them.
variety of phrasing. Got it. So what she's saying is your variety of phrasing is not matching the repetition of the phrasing. So with the high repetition, you want to create more variety in your phrasing. I think that's a really good comment, Vivian. Thank you. Laura Zane.
Um, so I think like you shouldn't bend your neck over that much. Um, but you had good articulation, and I really like your trills, like the trill of the trill somewhere. I think somewhere around in the piece. I forgot where.
Okay, I think she means the figurations that you have. Those very fast. Bariam. I think that's what she means. Those figurations. Matthew?
I agree that you shouldn't stick your neck out. Also, I also agree on the articulation. You had good body movement. And I like that the scale like parts were pretty smooth.
Great. Scale parts were very smooth. Nice. Good articulation. Okay. Christopher?
Um, I thought the voicings in the beginning, like the way you voiced the chords, I thought that was really nice in the beginning. Your articulation was incredibly clear. I thought that was really a good part. In the opening, there was like a small, like 16th note staccato line where I think later on you kind of fixed it, but I think you held the pedal a little bit. So I think if you wanted to bring out more contrast, you can, if you release the pedal on the staccato, you would bring out more contrast. And then I thought the dynamics and phrasing were really nice, but yeah, I think that you can have a lot softer of a dynamic overall.
Okay, great. Thank you. I think he means this spot here, Nicholas, and it's not staccato. So it's just difficult to see. I think he means that, but it's portato. You actually want to adjust that to make it a little bit wetter with your hand, Nicholas. So less crisp on the staccato there because it's not staccato. Okay, good. Um, any other hands? Oh, well, Nicholas has his own hand up. Do you want to talk too?
Yeah, I'm confused because I think Vivian said I had too less movement, but Allison said I have too much movement.
I think what they're saying is here, and I told you this the other day. The purposeful movement. Didn't we talk about this today, or last week? Having very purpose-driven movement.
Okay.
Okay, so I think what whoever said that you're moving too much, they mean that you're not moving in places which has a purpose. And for people who are saying that you're moving too little, I think what they're saying is that they want more variety of movement. That's what it's just hard for people to articulate what they want to say, but I understand what they're saying. So don't think about frequency, think about variety. All right, there's a difference, right? Okay. Okay, any other comments? Otherwise, we will move on. And Vish decided to show up. Vish the fish. He's going to be playing some Bach.